How to change card on Freetrade. Freetrade is a UK-based financial technology company that offers commission-free stock and ETF investing through a user-friendly app with various account options like ISA and SIPP. First, download the Freetrade application from Google Play Store or App Store. Then log into your account. After sign in on homepage, navigate to account option bottom right corner of the screen. Click on top up option. Here you can add or change card for instant bank transfer, or you can add Apple Pay card to change card. That's how you can change card on Freetrade. That's it. Thanks for watching.